are currently at Walmart. It is snowing outside. It's a little slick, so I had to take the main roads here because the roads are super slick. Didn't see any accidents, which is a good thing because we always see accidents everywhere we go because people forget how to drive in snow most of the time. But anyways, I am at Walmart. It has been a while. First it was Christmas break, and then I was just swamped with Etsy orders. I had to shut my shop down to catch up on Etsy orders. Then my mom came to town, and I'm just like, I'm just gonna, you know, spend time with her. So I am back at shopping at Walmart. I missed it. I did shop, you know, my clearance stuff. I did shop here and there, but I haven't done any Ibotta shopping in almost a month, which is okay. It's nice to take a break. There is some good deals and there's some slow deals this week, but that is okay. You know, I know the deals are just kind of slowing down, but I know we want to focus on food deals the most because prices just keep going up. It is crazy how things have been just going up. But let's go inside and save some money and have fun shopping while we're at it too. So here we have the Merci chocolates for $6.48. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you would pay $12.96. But we have a swag bucks deal where you get 800 points when you purchase the 2, so that is $8. You also can submit your receipt for the $2 back on coupons.com. Now you can use a coupon if you want, but sometimes that triggers it where you won't get the cash back on swag bucks. And also there is a deal on checkout 51 for Walmart. There's also a Walgreens deal too, but this is for Walmart where you get $1.62 back times 2 with that. So your final total, you'll pay $12.96, you get $1.62 times 2 back, $8, $2. It comes out to be a 28-cent moneymaker. Perfect gift if you need to get somebody a gift for Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine's Day. So here's a deal that does end soon. All 3 men in my life actually use this. My father-in-law, my stepdad, and my husband use Head & Shoulders, so I always stock up this deal anytime I get. But you can get the smaller bottle for just $3.67. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you would pay $7.34. But then there's an Ibotta deal that does end soon where you'll get $3 back when you purchase the 2, making it just $4.34 or $2.17, which is an okay deal. But like I said, my in-laws and my family are always taking my stuff, so there we go. So here we have the Jergens lotion. You can get the ones that are $3.77. You would pay $3.77, but we have a checkout 51 offer where you can get $1 back. Plus there is a $1.75 that you get with Ibotta, making your final price for this just $1.02 for lotion. That's a pretty great deal. Definitely check out your totes, you guys. I was price scanning some of these and one of them was like ringing up the wrong price, but I got some totes for toys and some of my organization for $4, so can't go wrong for toys, or totes for $4, plus there is a lot of toy clearance, so definitely check that out too. So here we have the Febreze sprays for $3.24. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $6.48. But then there is an Ibotta deal where you get $3.30 back when you purchase the 2. My store also had some of the 2-packs on clearance for $4 in the seasonal section, but you had to buy 2 of the 4-packs to do this deal. But anyways, you would get $3.30 back, making them just $3.18 or $1.59 each. So here we have the Clorox bleach for $3.98. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you will pay $7.96. But then you can submit your receipt to checkout 51 where you'll get $1.25 back times 2, so you'll get $2.50 back. Plus so with swag bucks, I'm gonna tell you guys this. So with swag bucks, it's kind of tricky. You'll either get 500 swag buck points or you'll get $6 worth of swag bucks. I don't know until I submit my receipt. I've noticed that I don't get both. So we got that, and then you also can submit your receipt to the coupons.com where you'll get $1.50 back, This ends up becoming I thought it was $1. This ends up becoming I thought it was $1.54 moneymaker, but it's actually $1.04 moneymaker. And then if it's that $6 you get points, then it's going to be $2.04 moneymaker. But I'll let you know when I submit my receipts. So here we have the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. Now you guys can get the refills for $5.28. You can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $2 back. Plus you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta where you'll get $2 back. And then there's a bonus, which I already received it. But you end up getting this for just $1.28, which is a pretty good deal if you guys need to do that. So here's a deal if you guys need the Mr. Clean erasable erasers. These are $3.24. You'd buy 2 of them, you would pay $6.48. But then you get $3.25 back when you purchase 2 with the Ibotta app, making both of them just $3.23 or $1.61 for each 2-pack, which is a pretty great deal. So get it if you can. And also the Mr. Clean is the same price for the liquid stuff if you guys want to get that stuff too. So here we have the Welch's Juicy Fulls. My kids actually really like this, or for $2.50. Otherwise you can get the regulars for $2.88, but my kids have been eating these ones. So you're gonna buy 3 of them. Now we do have printable coupons. I'm doing all digital deals this week. So you're gonna buy 3 of them. You would end up paying $7.50 for the 2 of them. But then you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards where you'll get 1,500 points when you purchase the 3, so that's $1.50. And you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $1 back. And you can also submit your receipt to the other deal for $1 off of 2. So you'll end up getting them for $7. You get the $1.50, the $1 and the $1 off of 2. You end up paying just $4, or these are just $1.33 each, which is a pretty good deal. If you guys need some Splenda, this is $4.67. We currently have a $2 rebate that you guys can get with the coupons.com app. Plus there is a $2 Ibotta rebate that you get back, making these just 67 cents for 100 of them, which is a pretty great deal. Here we have the Kinder's spices. My store used to carry the packets, but I am not finding them anymore. But you're gonna buy 2 of them that are $1.98. You would pay $3.96. But we currently have a rebate with Ibotta where you can get $1.68 off of 2. So you'll get that rebate back. It ends up becoming $2.28 or just $1.14 a bottle, which is actually a pretty decent deal. But yeah, I don't know what happened to the packets, but still a pretty good deal. Hello everybody, so I am back from Walmart. That was like the fastest haul I've ever shopped in a store. Usually it takes me like almost 2 hours to shop in the store because I hurry up, like I have to get out of that store right away to get to my daughter to pick her up from preschool. But I am super excited with everything that I got. I wanted to get a little bit more deals for like food wise, but there just wasn't that great. But hopefully it is the last week. It is the last week of the month. So next week, hopefully they might have some better deals for the month. I've noticed, like, you know, in the past, if you guys have been following me a while, Ibotta used to have levels. They had 4 levels, and if you hit like each level you'd get more money. Well, they ended up getting rid of that, and now they got mostly like the weekend warriors and like the weekly bonuses, and they still had that too. But I noticed that, you know, always like the first of the month, they always had like a lot of deals, and then like new deals would come out like on Thursdays, aka that's the reason why I started doing my hauls on Thursdays. And now they kind of just have them out whenever, but they don't do the levels anymore. They don't have it where you're connected to people anymore. Like I even have a second Facebook page to have where you guys could be on my team to get your levels faster, but I think I might even delete that Facebook page because I haven't been on it in months, and I know some of you guys can message me on it, but I actually have you guys just message me through other ways. So yes, that was everything that I got. Like I said, I didn't use any paper coupons. I mostly just used all digital. I'm gonna try to do more digital than ever because number one, if you guys watched my... Yeah, but you can comb your hair. That's a pen and a hairbrush. Yeah. Okay, thank you. But if you guys watched like my goals for this year, I said I stopped buying a newspaper. I'm not buying inserts anymore. I'm mostly relying on 100% digital. I know a lot of you guys are doing it. A lot of people just can't afford the paper. My paper is $5 in my area, which is ridiculous. So I'm pretty much going like 95%, 100% digital all the time. I will try to use printable coupons, and then if I get any inserts, like I sometimes get them in the mail. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But everything that you saw, I got. Everything went by smoothly. I always pay with my gift cards. I always roll my gift cards. So that is something that you guys can always do if you try to do that. But I did end up finally getting a bonus that popped up. I only needed 5 rebates for $1. My weekly bonus was 15 rebates for $5. So like it makes a huge difference. But like I said, I haven't really been doing a lot of couponing lately. It was nice just taking a break. I'm gonna kind of move my channel around a little bit. I'm gonna do a lot more crafting stuff, a lot more organizing. I've already started recording organizing, and you guys will have to definitely check that out. What do you want?
Down.
You want the house down?
Yeah.
Do you have to go potty?
No.
Can you give me 1 second?
I'm cold.
Well, go put some pants on. Okay, give me 1 second, Charlotte. So my total, the only thing I really wanted to get was that Del Monte frozen thing. It's a freebie. There was a limited to. My store did not have it. What I've noticed is sometimes when I look on the website, it shows that they don't have it, but then I do later find it. Like just like the Merci chocolates, my store didn't show that they had it, but they did. So we got that going on. I know a couple of you guys were talking about this new app called Shopium, whatever. It looks very similar to coupons.com. It looks like it has the same deals. There might be a couple different deals that might be in there or that, but I'm assuming it's, again, be an app where it's either one or the other. Well, we will see how that is. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know more information on it. One app I truly miss is that Zardy app. I absolutely loved Zardy. I mean, I got so much freebies from that, but I wish they would bring that back. But anyways, my total came to $66.40. I do want to mention I got 2 of the Clorox bleaches and I got the Clorox mist. So the Clorox bleach was $3.98. I had that $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon that I submitted my receipt for. But then I forgot what I was gonna say. But when I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks, I got points for the 600 when you purchase 2, but I did not get it for the 500. So I ended up getting $6 back. But then I also bought the Clorox mist. And then if you buy one of those, if you buy one of those products, you get 200 points. So the Clorox mist, I actually got for free because it was $5.28. You submit your receipt to coupons.com, Ibotta. And I got 200 points with Swagbucks, so that came out to be a 75-cent moneymaker. So I did send in a review for the bleach. We will see, but the bleach ends up becoming a $2.04 moneymaker without that 500 points. So that's still a pretty good deal. So my total again came to $66.40 for everything. I did receive $16.98 back with Ibotta. I did receive the $1 Weekend Warrior. I got $16 back with Swagbucks. I am waiting to see what they say with the 500 points. If that happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. With Fetch Rewards, I received 1,575 points, which is $1.57. Yay, $1.57. Check out 51. I have not redeemed on that app in forever. forever, you guys. I have not redeemed on it forever, and I know you have to cash out at 20 bucks, and I just had money just sitting there, and it's like, I love Checkout 51, but they are a sister website to Swagbucks. I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I ended up getting $6.74 back with Checkout 51. And coupons.com, I did receive $9 back with coupons.com. So I got 18 items at $15.11. That's 84 cents each. But I did save $51.29. So I'm excited for that. I really wanted to get the Golden Crisp cereal. My store did not have any. I had a $2 Ibotta rebate, and my kids love that stuff, but I wanted to get that. They didn't have it. And then I wanted to get the packets of the Kinder seasoning, but again, my store only had the jars, which is still fine. And I wanted to really find that Del Monte frozen, I don't even know what it was, but it was something Del Monte frozen. It wasn't the rice, it was the other item, but I really wanted to find that stuff. But I am back. I'm here to share with you guys more awesome deals at Walmart. Definitely check out those clearances. My store had a whole aisle of clearance, but a lot of it was just like stuff that I really don't need. I was looking for things I could get with Ibotta. Not a lot of stuff, but definitely check out some totes if you guys need totes. I am in the middle of organizing my whole entire house. I am going to be working on a new craft area. I'm going all crazy, and I am super excited, and I will be sharing with you guys all that stuff. So you guys definitely watch it if you guys are into decluttering and getting rid of stuff, organizing, all that stuff. But again, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my channel, supporting me. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel so I can help you guys out by saving money. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.